Hello everyone, this is a demo video of MongoDB with Django Major Project. This project demonstrates how to build a web application using Django that seamlessly integrates with MongoDB database for data storage. Let me show you the project structure first. This is the project structure of my MongoDB with Django project. That initially we need to create a database and configure that in the settings.py of MongoDjango project. Here is the database information. I created the database skill force in the MongoDB Compass, and we should be configured the name of the database here in the settings.py. And the heart of the project is models.py. Here we need to create a model which is named as a collection in MongoDB Compass. I created a model named person here, and I created four labels here: first name, last name, age, and location. Let's see the working of the project by running the server python manage.py run server. Okay. When we open this link, the page will be redirected. This is a list of the people. When I try to click on add new person here, I will be redirected to the add new person page template. I will enter some data here. Aravinda. Let's name is Aravinda or Mahi, whatever the name, and last name also I enter, and age is 21, and location is Bangalore. And I try to click on add person here. The data will be processed by our Django view and saved directly into the MongoDB database. This is our people list. It queries the MongoDB database for all person records and displays them in a clear tabular format. You can see the data we just entered before, along with all the previous entries. To truly demonstrate the backend integration, let's verify the data directly in the MongoDB database. I am opening the MongoDB Compass here, our graphical interface for MongoDB. Here, the database I created is Skillforce, and the model the created by me is person. In database, we can see it as a collection. Before, there is no collection or a data called Mahi. When I refresh the page, new document is added here with name Mahi. When I try to update something like Usha, let me update the last name of Usha Ummadi as Usha Ummadi and Usha Ummadi Rani and update. Go to the template page and refresh this page. Before, the Usha and last name is Ummadi and I given here is Ummadi Rani. See the changes here. Ummadi Rani, the name is changed. So when you update here, the data will also updated in MongoDB Compass collection. And when you update or insert any data in Mongo Compass, the data will also be changed in this templates. In the summary, I want to say that this project successfully demonstrates a full stack integration of Django with MongoDB, allowing for seamless data insertion and retrieval. This setup offers the flexibility and scalability of a NoSQL database combined with robust features of Django frameworking. Thank you.